fine and safe. Today's activity, you're gonna enjoy so much. What are we gonna do? We're gonna make a face sandwich that you can do by yourself. Okay? Okay. What do we need? We need a toast and we need green olives, green cucumbers, orange carrot and red tomato. Okay, let's start. Let's start. What do we have first? We have here face. What do we have? We have the face. Face. Okay? Okay. Next, what do we have? We have eyes. What do we have? Eyes. Next, we have nose. What do we have? Nose. Next, we have mouth. What do we have? Mouth. And ears. What do we have? Ears. Now this sandwich, it's really enjoyable. Your kids will enjoy their time doing it, and we can practice colors, practice body parts, right? And encourages the kids to eat too because it looks nice. So they will eat it. Hope you like this video and to see you in next videos. Bye bye.